Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going to...
Why did I come here? Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Oof. Hi guys, this is Jaystiqs. You should teach them the drum thing there. The pattern.
Well, I was literally in the middle of...
pattern thing. It's really good. He has this pattern thing, right? It's really good. It's like,
oh my goodness.
Mwah.
Can you just let...
Mwah.
Can I just
it's
do
really
my
good.
video, please? In this video, we're going to explore a pattern that is groundbreaking and mind-breaking and mind-bending and something breaking. I don't know. But it breaks. Something breaks when this pattern is around. Once you learn this simple chop trick thing, you'll be able to put it in so many places, so many ways. Manifest it into so many different grooves and abilities around the drum, such that it will sound pretty delicious. As always, you have to sound delicious. If you don't sound delicious, what are you doing? Even if it is cool, mellow, has to sound delicious on the way to being mellow. Before we go on, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, you know what? Hit all the buttons at the bottom. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the share, hit the tweet, the sniffer, the Reddit, the rebook, and all the buttons. Just hit everything. Just keep hitting, except the dislike button. I don't know why you would hit the dislike button. Today's lesson is pretty simple, but its application is where the genius is, because this is a pattern that just consists of 4 notes. 4 notes. But it's how you play the 4 notes that matters. So let's take a look at what these 4 notes are. So in its basic form, this is what you would play. And if you look carefully, it's not that you're just playing 16th notes, as in 1, 2, 3, 4. You're playing it with some kind of swinging motion. Something like that. It's not just 1, 2, 3, 4. Its articulation looks something like this. To give a better example, we'll keep the hi-hat going, then we play it. Then you get to see how it sounds like in the context of a count. So this is with the hi-hat and the pattern. So now that we've established that this pattern is incredibly awesome, let's move to the next step, shall we?
From A to B.
So the next step is, how can we apply this around the drums? One, you can apply it in the form of a drum fill. First of all, let's try and apply this in the form of a groove. Yes, you can do this in the form of a groove. And there's a very popular gospel groove that incorporates this. I bet you've heard that before, right? Maybe you know how to play it already, maybe you don't. But this pattern fits perfectly into that groove. And the way we play this groove, we can take just that pattern along the tones and use it as a drum fill, even just on its own. And also we can take the pattern, play it on the hi-hat, We can play it on the first tom, second tom. You get the point. So for experimentation, let's just take this part and play it on the hi-hat and play it on the floor tom to give it a little bit of spice. Tasty. It's like wasabi. Have you tasted wasabi? Wasabi is good, but don't take too much or your head will explode. For real. Literally. You can play it with the toms. You can play it starting out to fill. You can play it in the middle of a fill. So, for experimentation, I hope you're starting to get the picture. It's quite versatile and it has that classic gospel feel, you know, that shared session gospel-y feel that we're all looking for. I know I'm looking for it. I don't know about you. Maybe you're not. But if you do find it by mistake, let me know. I'll come get it. Give it a try. Try and put it in your groove. Try and figure out where it places within the context of your groove. And let me know if it works out. Leave a comment down below. I would like to see that. You can send a video in the group or something. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Do all the things down below. And download the app. The Drum Chills Builder app is really amazing. It's really exciting. You should download it. It will change your life and change your drumming. This has been your boy Jaystiqs. And stick with it. Stick with it. Peace.